Linking your bank account to Navcom is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your business finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Nav account. Visit the Navcom website and either create a new account by providing your email and setting a password, or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your bank. In the bank linking section, you will see a list of banks. Search for and select your bank from the list. If your bank is not listed, you may need to choose the option for manual entry or check if your bank supports the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank credentials. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password. Ensure that you enter this information accurately. Nav uses secure encryption to protect your data during this process. Step 5. Confirm the link. After entering your credentials, follow any additional prompts to confirm the linking of your bank account. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Once confirmed, your bank account will be linked to your Nav account. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Navcom, allowing for better financial management and access to tailored financial solutions.